there's a break back again there. 15 all. Like I think this is the third break there at 14, 15 since 14, 15. Going great. 16-15 match point to Terramore for serve. The match here starts. No, I think they're still practicing.
Practicing their serves here.
It's gonna be an interesting match. Vishal being the next tennis player, I think he's gonna go for a shot, but the great return by Vishal. A good start by Vishal.
Okay,
The match finally finished.
Well.
Terramore
have, I think,
a great match that side.
pulled
on
out
the
a
other
great
side.
victory there.
Yeah,
being
from
10-14
10-14
down. Yeah. Kirti had its chances, but
Yes.
unfortunately they were not able to convert.
Yeah.
I guess the points. This keeps the league alive from the standings perspective.
So far, yes.
Yes.
Vishal so far is doing great.
Yeah.
He's just killing it. I think he's getting a happy pace by Nikit, and if Nikit doesn't slow it down, then it will be difficult for him because Vishal being a tennis player and he's in a good touch.
Yeah.
So if
And
he
he has the
just
ability to get to the net. He's very tall. His reach is very high.
Yeah.
So it makes a lot of difference.
oh, that's a near miss.
Okay.
The slice is
Vishal has
really
got
nice.
a great slice,
Yeah.
black slice, backhand slice, which takes it straight deep to the forehand or to the backhand of the opponent. It makes
Yeah.
a lot of difference.
And it doesn't let the opponent come in. He has to move back and play the ball low, and he also gets time to come in. It looked like an easy match, but if you see the scores right now, looks like Vishal is doing great. Whatever plan he has,
Good start for
Yeah.
Vishal. I think he's come with an intent and a purpose that he.
Great point.
Okay, that's a nice return. from
Saiti
Nikhil.
there,
Yeah.
the cheerleader of Nandi, standing tall and shouting hard.
Nikit has also been quite a consistent performer.
Yes.
He's done really well in the league. Recognized, I think, as a very good singles.
Yeah, I think they were quite newcomers who surprised, who were like recognized in the league, like Nikit, Shashank on the other side, on Terramore side, Terramore Titans.
That's right. Yeah.
He
Nikita
was
Shakar.
definitely a
He's been
surprise
very,
package
very
for
strong,
Terramore.
very strong player there. Saying that.
And Dhruv, all those 16 and
youngsters,
18
yeah,
years,
16 and
Dhruva and Prajwal.
Prajwal has played extremely well for the
The thing is,
Dynamos.
Dhruva also played amazing matches, but it's just that Kirti doesn't have enough wins, so it's just that we.
It's not as
it's not out
his
there.
contribution
in the
or they're
public,
not there.
yes.
It's not as seen there. But I
Yeah.
think he's also been an extremely consistent performer.
Yeah,
Makes a lot of difference.
he's really small and then he's playing really good and he's calm in his head. He's being able to execute whatever he wants. I think he's doing really good. This match, Nikit is back.
It's the
mean-
reach. It's the reach with the youngsters, right? The ability to reach the ball quickly and put it across.
Yeah, definitely.
It makes a lot of difference, right?
Yes.
Where your body just does not move as swiftly as it would if you were 42 as opposed to being a 26-year-old.
Yes, for sure.
I guess Nikhil has the age on his side. Vishal has experience, so we'll have to see where
Yeah,
this,
I think the experience helped him in the beginning with
yeah.
those slides, and then
the
Nikit
experience
ca-
will also help him adapt and also modify his strategy from time to time. And instead of playing only in a unidimensional manner, you see that
yeah,
you can
If-
see that he can Vishal that way can play at ease both on the baseline and the kitchen. So
Yeah.
that I think that's a good quality.
But I think his strategy is clean. Hit one ball and then come in and keep playing as fast as possible. controversial call, but referee is
See, that was a very
strong
close
on
call
this.
for the referee.
Strong
It
on
was
his
in fact
call.
on the line because we could get a clear view from here.
Yes.
Although I think there was some doubt as to whether.
Scores look really tight.
Yeah.
5-all, Nikit serving. Vishal is definitely giving him a tight time, winning points. But like you said, the age, I think that will definitely push
Yeah.
Vishal the second half of the match after the side change. We can already see him a little tired, and Nikit hasn't even
Broken a sweat until
yeah.
now.
Just like he's just getting warmed up. But
Yeah. You see the quick and the ease with which Nikit moves.
yeah,
It's a reach that very few players can have.
possibly the greatest movers in the league are Nikit and Bhaskar.
Bhaskar,
yes,
yeah.
for sure.
Even Alapati.
Oh yeah, for his age, oh my
Siddharth
god.
Alapati, even for his age, is extremely, I think, agile. Very fit and agile.
Oh, I
Right.
think Vishal also has another strategy by getting into Nikit's head. I think he's
Yeah.
doing it really well right now.
Trying to
Definitely
galvanize the
Oh.
crowd. You see,
I think he's just tired and just trying to show it off.
He's surely want to have fun and he's having fun on the court.
I think he's
Yeah.
done his job, getting 6 points and then putting pressure on Nikit
Yes, absolutely.
and showing his players how to do
Yeah.
it. It's more than enough.
It's true. So you see the second match has started and Kirti Warriors has taken a lead
I
in the
think
women's doubles.
yeah.
It's 3-love.
That side, I think
Yeah.
Kirti has got this doubles, but the first doubles were really crucial because it would definitely put Terramore under pressure.
Under pressure and it will move the momentum too.
Yeah, for
Next
sure.
one.
But a great comeback by them and then successfully getting the win. This one, I think Kirti has got this. And if you see here, the score is still 7-6 and Vishal definitely hustling and oh, that's a great shot by Nikit.
A lovely passing shot.
Amazing movement and then God knows how
Ability
is he
to control
balancing
the ball,
himself.
yeah.
How is he balancing himself
Control
and then
the ball while you're moving and putting it on court. It's not a very easy.
I mean,
thing
he's
to do.
literally sliding and controlling. That's unbelievable. Moving and controlling, I agree.
Yes.
Difficult, but he's literally sliding and then controlling the ball in.
Absolutely. Yeah.
It's a half time.
So you see Vishal, I think, is
a little tired
being
and
subbed in.
frustrated.
He's being subbed in by Yash. So Yash has now.
I think,
Yash
yeah,
now
that's
has
like
come in,
how we
yeah,
spoke
which
about
is
it.
what,
He
yeah.
just showed his juniors how to do
I
it.
think, yeah, but he's also, I think, laid a strong foundation for Yash to take it forward from here. 6-8 is not very difficult position for Yash to fight back from.
Yeah, I'm just talking to Gopi on the other side. He was just saying that they wanted to use this in semis, making Vishal play a few points and then subbing Vishnu maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe this is just Gopi giving out his future plans of semis. Because as far as now, I think Mavericks are the only team which is surely going in
Yeah, I
comfortably.
absolutely.
And the
Yeah.
others, there are few teams which are comfortable, but we don't know where they stand as of now. But yeah, Mavericks is one. A good start for Yashwant from where he came, no warm up, nothing, and then I think it's such a great point.
That's a lovely take by Yashwant. Again, you see Yashwant, as I was saying earlier, very strong singles player. He's got the reach, he's got the agility. Although I must say, for being a 35-year-old, I think Yashwant would give anyone else a run for their money. Very, very agile.
Yes, for sure. Tennis also helps him in playing
Absolutely,
singles.
yeah.
And playing pickleball doubles for quite some time. I think his dings and all also improved. If you see the last point, he could slow the ball down and then wait for a good ball. Looks like Nikit is hassled a little by Mavericks. He proved me wrong there straight away. He's still there in the match, and I think he can just fly off by getting a few points here. That's a unnecessary miss by Yashwant, but yeah, I think it happens. Coming into the match straight in, you being down 6-9, 6-8 is a great volley by
nice
him.
finish. You see again. Yes.
The net definitely helped him, but
not giving
he was still a
not
clean
giving an
win.
opportunity for Nikit to come back into that point. Able to finish it off close to the net.
Great return. And a great finish by Nikit. It's a
Nikit
great
also
setup.
employing the same strategy.
Yeah, it's a great setup by Nikit. Return deep on the other side of the opponent and then make him move cross and then down finish.
Absolutely. That's
That's a
lovely,
great pick by
lovely
Nikit.
drop, volley drop from Nikit.
Yashwant was almost there, but I think
I think
This is-
Bhaskar would be there with the ability to slide across the court.
yeah, I agree.
One of the few guys whom I see sliding and gliding through the pickleball court. I mean, I fear for his feet once in a while, but he seems to do it with a lot of comfort and ease.
I think Yashwant needs a little more experience in playing singles. I think once he plays a few tournaments, I think he just started, I think 2 months ago, 2-3 months ago.
Yes, I think that's showing that the relative I think experience that both the players have as far as the singles is concerned is showing here. Nikit is being much more comfortable and much more able to play the game with slightly more
great-
ease as compared to Yashwant.
Great movement by Nikit as usual, and then setting it up, putting pressure on the wall here. He's doing great. The scores look, I mean, Nikit looks comfortable right now. 13-7 serving.
I think the writing on the wall here. This game
Yeah, just flying off for Nikit
slowly
from
sliding
8.
away towards the Nandi Chargers, which will give them a 2-1 lead in this duel with the Mavericks.
Yeah, if you see on the other side, Terramore is up 6-5.
Okay, so Nikit finishes it
Nikit-
off with a very nice cross court.
Yeah,
A very good all-round display.